Hello, today we are going to study about consumer protection and rights. Module 1 Introduction. The King of the Market. Consumer is the king. We have heard this phrase for decades. But is the consumer truly the king of the market? In reality, with rapid industrialization, complex supply chains, and aggressive marketing, the consumer is often vulnerable. Today, we are exploring the world of consumerism, the movement that protects that king from exploitation. Meaning of consumer. Under Section 2(7) of the Consumer Protection Act 2019, a consumer is anyone who buys goods or hires services for a consideration, payment. This includes online and offline transactions. Concept of consumerism. It is a social and economic ideology that encourages the acquisition of goods and services in increasing amounts. It also refers to an organized movement by citizens and government to enhance the power of buyers against sellers. History and evolution. Early days. Pre-industrial, basic needs-driven economy, limited goods. Industrial revolution. Mass production kicks in, advertising emerges. Post-WWWIA boom. 1950s, 60s, advertising, credit cards, and suburban shopping malls. Globalization, products go global, choices explode. Digital commerce, Amazon, Flipkart change shopping habits. Social media, influencers, targeted ads fuel desires. Today, sustainability, digital payments, and conscious consumerism. Rationale, need, and importance. Organized consumers, unlike sellers, consumers are scattered and lack unity. Information asymmetry, marketers often hide true product information, such as expiry dates or side effects. Low literacy levels. Many consumers in developing nations are unaware of their rights. Unfair practices. Protection is needed against artificial scarcity, hoarding, adulteration, and false advertising. Types of consumers. Individual consumers. People who buy goods for personal use. Institutional consumers. That purchase goods for reasons other than making a profit. Commercial consumers, these consumers use goods as raw materials for production. Ultimate consumer, this refers to the final user of the products. Online consumers, individuals who buy goods through e-commerce platforms. Appropriate authority complaint. CCPA, the customer's lawyer. The Central Consumer Protection Authority, CCPA, was created to regulate violations of consumer rights, unfair trade practices, and misleading ads, with the power to investigate and order recalls. This is your personal lawyer. If a company lies to you with fake ads or sells you something dangerous, the CCPA can step in, fine them, and force a total refund. Functions. Investigation. Consumer awareness. Safety notices. Recalls and refunds. BIS, the Quality King. BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. They are the quality king. From electronics to gold purity, they set the benchmark. If you see the ISI mark, it means it's passed the ultimate safety test. Functions. Standards formulation. Product certification. International cooperation. Compulsory Registration Scheme, CRS. Hallmarking. FSSAI, the Food Police. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, is the statutory body responsible for protecting and promoting public health through the regulation and supervision of food safety across the country. Functions. Licensing and registration risk. Assessment and data collection. International contribution. Scientific advice. Consumer dispute. Three-tier quasi-judicial machinery to provide speedy and inexpensive redressal. District Commission, District Forum. Scope deals with cases where the value of goods or services paid does not exceed 1 crore rupees. Approach: this is your first point of contact for local complaint. State Commission. Scope deals with cases where the value is between 1 crore rupees and 10 crores rupees. Approach: used for higher value claims or to appeal a district commission verdict. National Commission, NCDRC. Scope deals with cases exceeding 10 crores rupees. Approach: the highest authority for large-scale consumer disputes. Restrictive Trade Practices. Restrictive trade practice, RTP, is a practice which has the effect of manipulating price or affecting the flow of supplies, imposing unjustified costs on consumers. Types of RTP. Tie-in sales, forcing a consumer to buy a second, undesired product to get the first one. Exclusive dealings, forcing a dealer to not deal with competitors. Manipulation of price output, creating artificial scarcity to increase prices. Hoarding and black marketing, hiding goods to sell them later at higher prices. Conclusion. Consumerism is no longer just a defensive movement, it is about empowerment. With the new 2019 Act, the principle has shifted from caveat emptor, let the buyer beware, to caveat venditor, let the seller beware. So, be informed, be aware, and always ask for a receipt. Jago Grahak Jago. Wake up consumer, wake up.